Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to control mouse pointer with keyboard on Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. Now here guys you have to select Accessibility. Now here click on Accessibility, scroll down and click on Mouse. Now turn on mouse keys. Use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. Also guys, you can select this box, only use mouse keys when numlock is on, and if you will select this option, show the mouse keys icon on the taskbar. And here guys, you can change mouse keys speed by dragging to large or smaller like this. And here also guys, you can change mouse keys acceleration. You can make more or you can make less. So this is the way guys you can change mouse settings, and also guys you can control mouse pointer with keyboard on Windows 11. Just you have to turn on this option. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.